Priyanka. Welcome to the Priyanka's Cloud. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to make Dalgona coffee. This coffee is famous with so many names like Cloud Coffee, Magic Coffee, TikTok Trending Coffee, Internet Viral Coffee, Whipped Coffee, Creamy Coffee, Korean Coffee, Quarantine Coffee. With so many names, but coffee is same. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. I have already shown you handwritten coffee in my last video. If you want to watch that video, I will give you the link in the description box and you can check it out from there. For making a cold coffee, let's see the ingredients first. We need instant coffee powder. I'm using this one. You can use any one. Powdered sugar, chilled milk, ice cubes and warm water. For making coffee, today I am using electric hand blender. You can use hand whisker as well. It's a matter of time, but the taste of coffee will remain same. There is no difference in a coffee. Either you use whisker or hand blender. Taste will be same of this coffee. So what I am doing here, I have taken equal quantity of instant coffee powder, powdered sugar and water. Very important in this case, I'm adding sugar. Sugar is something that can be completely omitted because of course we all take different kind of sugar. We all have own personal takes on sugar. So I'm taking equal quantity. Everything will be equal. Mix all 3 ingredients together. Why? Because when you will turn on electric hand blender, dry ingredients will come out. If you are using grain sugar, it will take time to dissolve. So put into a grinder and make a powder first. This is a very important step for making any kind of coffee, or you can say this is a base of coffee. So you have to beat coffee vigorously for a few minutes. Now you can see the mixture is starting thicken and getting lighter by formation of small bubbles. After a minute, the color of coffee is diluting and starts losing its intensity. So our coffee has whipped. With this whipped coffee, you can do so many variations: cold coffee, hot coffee, coffee milkshake, and moreover, you can store it into an airtight container up to 7 days and you can enjoy coffee in your home comfort zone. So coffee has whipped. Now it's time to serve. We will serve this coffee with some tempting twist. So we need glass and chocolate syrup, and I'm using this chocolate syrup. You can use any one. Whenever we go to cafe restaurant for drinking cold coffee, the way of serving in a glass looks so tempting. We can do the same thing at home before serving the coffee. I'm showing you over here how can we decorate this glass. After doing this, put it into a refrigerator for 15 minutes. Look at the texture of glasses after taking out from the refrigerator. Now it's time to serve the coffee in a glass. Everything we have ready. Here you can take any kind of milk: low fat, full fat, almond milk, oats milk and skimmed milk. Here I am using low fat milk. Simply take a glass, put some ice cubes and fill the chilled milk till 3/4 glass, and I'm adding 5 spoons whipped coffee on the top of milk. You can adjust according to your taste. If you didn't beat the mixture long enough, your coffee will not stable on the top layer of milk and you will not achieve fluffy cloud-like foam texture and all your hard work will ruined. Here I put some chocolate chips on the top of my coffee and my coffee is ready. You can add anything according to your taste. Before drinking this coffee, stir it with the help of straw. Enjoy this smooth, creamy, liquid ice cream coffee. This coffee is for those ones who likes to drink coffee without milk. Simply take a glass, put some ice cubes and fill the water till 3/4 glass and add some whipped coffee according to your taste. Add some sugar if you wish and stir it together and decorate with chocolate syrup. Look at this creamy, frothy coffee without milk. If you don't like cold coffee, wait for the next one. For making this hot coffee, simply I took a glass, fill the steamed milk till 3/4 and add 5 spoons whipped coffee. You can take according to your taste and put instant coffee powder on the top of my coffee, and here my coffee is ready to drink. Stir it with the help of straw and drink it. Enjoy.
Must try this recipe in your home comfort zone and let me know in a comment section how was the recipe. So if you like it, please like it. If you love it, please subscribe it. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.